Table assets. Tables are effective for presenting text in a clear and organized way. They also provide an effective contrast to other content, which aids learning. To add a table to a page, click on the Table button in the Assets menu. Always save your work. This adds one row and two columns to the page. You can add more rows and columns to the table by clicking in a cell and then clicking the Add Rows or Add Columns button in the Edit menu. You can remove rows and columns by clicking in a row or column and then clicking the Remove Rows or Remove Columns button. You can increase or decrease a column's width by clicking in the column and then clicking the Increase Columns or Decrease Columns button. You can change the size of text in a table by clicking on the Font Size button in the Edit menu. However, note that this changes the size of all the text in the table. You can add multiple tables to a page by clicking on the Tables button in the Assets menu. You can make the text in tables bold, italic, underlined, superscript, and subscript by using the buttons in the Edit menu. You can change the background color of table cells by clicking in a cell and then clicking the Flip Background button in the Edit menu. To undo the color change, simply click the button again. You can add a caption to the table by clicking on the Caption button in the Options menu. Type the text in the caption field and click Apply. To remove the caption, click Remove. This concludes the video tutorial on using tables.